I've got to stop. Poppy, we're going to go around. You take care, okay? See you, mate. Thank you. It's sold out Saturday night. $35 to get in. And it runs... Sorry, shitty camera. Puppy, you've been really shit. It's a long way it runs down. She's gone. What's she eating? Geez, she's a rat bag. Oh. What is it? What the fuck? Jesus fuck, dude. What's your lane? Don't tell me not to swear. No, you're the bitch. We've got to walk around. Oh, bullshit. Contractors. Okay, let's walk around, have a sticker break.